maybe a tectonic, maybe in a several function can lead to this kind of what change in the polycyclic. Again the landform can be in a polycyclic. And climate change हुआ जिस रीजन में रिवर फ्लो कर रहा है, there can be a possibility there glacier formation. Yesterday I have shown you, perhaps you have seen that. आपको U-shaped valley formation you remember? U-shaped valley किसे बनता है? Interlocking spur. Yes. So वहाँ पे कौन कौन से cycle of erosion देखोगे? One cycle of erosion you will see of the fluvial, another cycle of erosion done by what? Glacier. So suddenly you can be able to see polycyclic, yes or not? And one cycle और वहाँ पे another cycle, फिर again river will, अब उसी U-shaped valley में when the glacier has been melted and again the river formation, the river started making what? V-shaped valley. So within the U-shaped valley there is a V-shaped valley formation, again that led to what? Polycyclic. So I said that climatic change, yes, climatic change can lead to the different kind of what I said that polycyclic landform. And then I said that over the period there is a climate has been changed. Suppose glacier and glacier moves and deposit a large amount of soil. Soil is softer. And another time river developed, climate change and the river started moving in the moraine region, moraine soil. They will make a different kind of landform. Harder rock may different and the softer rock may different kind of it. So there will be a polycyclic. There is I said that pedogenetically there is a development of another cycle of erosion in the same cycle of erosion. Understood? So it is this kind of this cycle of erosion can be affected by, I said that this cycle due to climate change. This cycle of erosion can have micro cycle of erosion. This cycle of erosion can have what? This is a macro level of cycle of erosion and there can be what? Glacier. कहीं पे आपको क्या दिखेगा? Roche Montoni. Yes. Somewhere you can be able to see crag and tail and there is a river landform. So you can be able to see in the some micro level there is what is a polycyclic landform, and glacier related you can be able to see. And possibly suppose in the process of time this Himalayan region has through the continental drift and tectonically it has moved somewhere else, and that comes under the what subtropical high pressure belt, it will convert into desert. And the desert, if I say that, what will happen? Climate change की वजह से desert, and then desert will have what? Yardang, Zeugen, yes, a mushroom type of rock. So there can be in this region can have what? Aeolian. Also it can have an impact. Yes. It can have an impact like this. So it can be affected by the what is and then tecto. So several changes can be there. It will be lead to the it is leading to this kind of micro related, pedo function related, tectonic function, climato function. It lead to the change in the cycle and different kind of polycycle बन सकते हैं. Yes. अब हम आते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि this is an I said that 3 cycle Davis has given. Which are the 3 cycle Davis has given? Yes, cycle of erosion, cycle of landscape evolution, and cycle of slow development. Understood it? और इसके evolutionary sequence में arrangement में कहीं भी changes हुआ landscape evolution में, then it means a polycyclic. Another cycle of erosion, another cycle of landscape development. Understood? And then this is talking about fluvial cycle of erosion, and says fluvial action is widespread over the earth's surface in all area excepting the cold and hot deserts or arid climates. And the most important trio word has been given by, yes, landscape is the function of structure, process and time. And we have studied this one, factors affecting the landform development. Yes or no? Yes. I said that he has given more importance to the structure. यदि आप देखोगे, if I taught you river landform, so he is giving importance to more to the what? Structure. Yes or no? But in the structure they have given less importance to the process and time. He talked about the time and stages, but he has given less important. Time dependent he talked about. So one of the demerits of this theory is what? He did not give importance to the what? Process and time in his explanation. Understood? So another point that you must remember, that in his theory, landscape is the function of, I said, that is structure, process and time. And structure मतलब आप जानते हो, that is as geology, lithology, and then in minute level पे tectonic, physical character, and then chemical character, you remember. And tectonic में what I have said, that perhaps you remember, folding, faulting, fissure, crack, rift, joints, and then bedding plate. And in the physical character I have said that hardness, density, massive rocks, and then permeability, porosity, solubility, and the texture. And in the chemical character I said that lithology, types of rocks. Yes? Which are the types of the rocks? Igneous metamorphized, igneous, sedimentary metamorphized, sedimentary rocks. And then one we have seen, I said that arrangement of rocks, the dome, faulted, and then monoclinal, horizontal. और हमने बताया था कि horizontal is less prone to what is an erosion, they will convert into step type, perhaps you remember. यदि आप बार बार उस चीज को पढ़ोगे, then you can be able to give the better answer future. And then we have seen, like I said, that there is a process में दो ही process हैं, that is in the form of what is an endogenic forces, and I said that exogenic forces. He has given less importance to this. He has talked too much about it. So more emphasis and less emphasis. He talked about time dependency, but he talked about less to the time dependency. Clear? तो रिवर लैंडफॉर्म में आपने देखा कि सारे लैंडफॉर्म बन रहे हैं, किस स्ट्रक्चर के बन रहे हैं. तो ही हैज टॉक्ड अबाउट इन हिज थ्योरी मोर ऑन इट, बट लेस टॉक्ड अबाउट व्हाट? प्रोसेस एंड टाइम. दिस इज वन ऑफ द criticism you can be able to talk about. Understood? Let us see some assumptions. I said that processes में कौन कौन से processes होंगे? Endogenic and exogenic में weathering, erosion, and then endogenic, that you know that what are the so many endogenic forces out there. Yes. So it is talking about structure, process, and stages. And then I said that, do you understand that what is the meaning of base label? Yes. And then base label, if I said that in his the level up to below which the erosion cannot take place. Means it is in a critical level, base level is in a kind of critical level below which the stream cannot approach and cannot erode. Yes or no? It is in a critical level below which a stream cannot reach and cannot erode. This is considered in a base level. And when you form some kind of, I said that different kind of pictures, and better to see in the form of pictures here. I said that we can be able to say this is, and I said that यहाँ पे ये क्या है, ये आपका base level है. The river cannot go. This is the critical level below which the stream cannot go and cannot erode. That is considered as a mean sea level, and thereafter the landform has been uplifted, and then erosion is taking place. Erosion is taking place. So you can be able to see, like I said, that I said that it is over the period of time. If I am talking about what is the meaning of this? It is talking about, if I am talking about, this is the period where there is what? Very small period of time. In the small period of time, there is an upliftment of land mass. Yes or not? This picture denotes, if I have taken a small period of time, what happened? This landform has been what? Uplifted without erosion, without any exogenic forces. Yes, so what are the what point he said that? Rapid upliftment. First he said that. इसने क्या बोला? What the word he said that? Rapid. This is one of the assumption. Then there is a what? Rapid upliftment. Understood? One assumption. And after that, if you see like this has been over there, landform is there, and then after you can say that thoda sa yahan se erosion start, and thereafter I said peneplain. What I said that? लास्ट में हमारे पास ये एक स्ट्रक्चर बचता है. These are the structure which are living after this. If you have been able to see, like I said that this is the one assumption that Davis has taken. There is a rapid upliftment. ध्यान से रखेंगे. What he has said that? Rapid upliftment. And second assumption, I said that without any, I said that exogenic forces. इसका मतलब इन्होंने कहा था, I said that erosion starts after uplift. So दो चीजें हम लोग यहां पे इनको क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इसके लिए I said that rapid upliftment, plate tectonic theory says upliftment of land mass is controlled by diastrophic force. किस फोर्स से कंट्रोल किया जाता है? एंड डायस्ट्रोफिक फोर्स इज ना व्हाट? सडन फोर्स या स्लो फोर्स? सो दैट्स दिस वे वी कैन क्रिटिसाइज दैट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट को हम लोग क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं कि रैपिड अपलिफ्टमेंट कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, रैपिड अपलिफ्टमेंट कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल बिकॉज प्लेट टेक्टोनिक सेज दैट, व्हाट इट सेज दैट upliftment of land mass is controlled by diastrophic force. Understood? Diastrophic force, slow force, slowly act, and therefore rapid upliftment cannot be possible. Rapid upliftment, understood? Another, without any exogenic forces, but second point, it has been said that, I said that endogenic and exogenic forces go together with different combination of intensities. Endogenic and exogenic forces go together with the different combination of intensities. तो पहले फर्स्ट पॉइंट में हम सेकंड पॉइंट को भी हमने क्रिटिसाइज किया कि दैट इज एन रैपिड अपलिपमेंट बट देयर इज इरोजन स्टार्ट्स आफ्टर द अपलिपमेंट. तो दूसरा भी हमने क्रिटिसाइज कर दिया. क्या क्रिटिसाइज था? एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस एंड एक्सोजेनिक फोर्सेस गो टुगेदर बट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट इंटेंसिटी. आज ये कहते हैं लोग, और ये कह रहे हैं कि अब एंडोजेनिक बंद हो चुका है, एक्सोजेनिक इज ओनली गोइंग ऑन. हु सेज? Next assumption, these are the assumptions. Next assumptions he said, shall I remove this side? Next assumption I said that what he said? Long time crustal stability. He said that जो क्रस्ट दिख रहा है स्टेबल फॉर्म में ऐसा ही है और केवल हु इज वर्किंग. This time is what? Smaller. And इसके बाद he said that thereafter this crust उठा हुआ है, अब उसको काटते जाओ आप. The river keep on eroding in the different stages like this. Understood it? So it has been said, like I said, that long crustal stability, another assumption, but the long crustal stability is not possible as per the PTT. Yes or not? So long crustal stability again criticized that it is what? Criticized, like I said, not possible as per the